Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, laurafordesvideos 2. So be sure to go across there and check it out, give me some support and help me reach that 1,000 subscriber mark over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we're going to be making So guys, I usually have my banana fritters with some confectioner's sugar sprinkled on the top. So while it's nice and warm, just sprinkle some of the confectioner's sugar and then you can enjoy your banana fritters. So once again, thanks for watching and don't forget to give the video the thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye for now.